Okay, so this is a pretty unique arm we've done for an outdoor application, although this arm won't be stored outdoors, just used outdoors at a pump station, pulling pump motors in remote areas of a facility, of a natural gas facility. Technically we have a 500-pound steel weight right here. In theory we're going to be picking up motors that are snaked in underneath some pretty unique structure. So very tight area to get this in, which is why the arm's such a low profile. But we're going to go ahead and show the operation of this tool. This tool can pick up these motors. They're moving this out with a forklift. They're moving this whole arm out with a forklift to each individual area where these motors have to be pulled. And you can actually set the motor down on the base after you're done, which is what you see some Stowed clamps in here for, are just give you the ability to lock these motors in. But just another nice feature for transfer. We'll just go ahead and show you how the tool operates. We have a CM VFD hoist up here that's lifting this whole arm up and down. We have a 2-speed Linatex radio control here that you can really creep the low end speed or jam it down to get to the second speed for that VFD. As well as you have the same feature on your motor right here that you can rotate this and you can get it to the specific angles you need to pick it up out of, there's multiple locations and pretty unique locations. So having the rotate right here, having the nice precise up-down control with the VFD really makes this arm easy to use. This arm is low production. They're probably only doing this a few times a year, but they really struggle. It takes them a whole day to get a motor out. This will allow you to get one out in 10 minutes. Keep their downtime way down. So we have a brake on this arm. I'll release the brake. Come down here on the part. Set this down. We have a 2-button grip and release. Just going to hit both buttons at the same time. Pick this arm up. This arm will go obviously very tall depending on where this has to go. So being on a radio remote, you go roughly about 6, 7 feet in the air with it, all the way down to just a little less than a foot off the ground for this. So the motors are going to have fins on them, going to actually have a little more grip area, but having no issue picking up this 500-pound test weight. You can see how easy the arm is to maneuver. This triple articulated arm can go where you need it to go pretty easily. You know, with the arm and the load, you're probably looking in the 1,000-pound range, so still pretty easy to move. We'll go ahead and rotate this. Go ahead and show the rotation here. And if you want, I'm going to go ahead and lock out the arm, put the brakes on. We'll show the rotation here. It'll rotate a full 180 degrees, so you can flip something completely over, although I don't think that's how they're ultimately going to operate it. You're going to see we have a limit switch right here. It'll trip your limit. Rotate it back over. We'll show the VFD on the way down. We'll take this brake off here, move this into place. And you'll be able to come down nice and slow. Go down a little faster to start. When we get close, hit the first step and start to creep it. Set it down. 2-button interlock release. Now you're off the part. And that is the basic operation of this tool. For any other questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us at ergonomicpartners.com.